Pondered about the fascinating process of crystal formation? Well, it's a natural marvel that begins when solutions become supersaturated with a substance. This saturation triggers a systematic and geometric dance, forming what we know as crystals. This isn't some far-off alien process, it's happening right here on Earth. You've seen it in the form of delicate snowflakes and even in the dazzling gemstones we admire. So that's the magic of nature, creating intricate crystal structures right under our noses. How about we bring this natural wonder into our homes? You might be wondering how? Well, let's embark on a fascinating journey to create our very own crystals right on our kitchen table. First things first, gather your materials. You'll need some borax, which you can usually find in the cleaning aisle of most supermarkets. You'll also need a jar, some pipe cleaners, and of course water. Let's start by shaping our pipe cleaner. You can twist and turn it into any shape you fancy. A star, a heart, or even a spiral, the choice is yours. This will be the skeleton for your crystal masterpiece. Next up, we prepare our magical solution. Heat some water until it's nearly boiling, then carefully stir in the borax. You'll want to add enough borax until it stops dissolving. This is what we call a saturated solution. Now for the exciting part. Dip your shaped pipe cleaner into the solution. Leave it suspended in the jar. Make sure it's not touching the sides or bottom. And then we wait. Yes, it's a game of patience now. It could be a few hours or it could be a few days. But as they say, good things come to those who wait. Slowly but surely you'll see your pipe cleaner transform. It will sparkle and shine as beautiful crystals start to form. And voila! You have created your very own masterpiece of nature, a stunning borax crystal. Isn't it fascinating how a simple process can create such beauty? From the intricate formation of crystals to the magic of making them at home, it's all about the harmony of nature and science. Remember, every crystal you see, even the frost on a cold window, is a testament to the wonders of nature and science working hand in hand. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.